Hello, my name is Dean Hull, and I'm going to be doing a review of Francis Thorson's latest launch, and that is the Real Estate Video Kit Volume 1. Is inside the home page that after you purchase, you go in there, and of course you'll have the section to download all your files, and there's not only the files for the initial video kit, but then there's all sorts of extras that she has thrown in there as well, so that you can change everything. Literally everything in the videos you can change around. And what's extremely impressive are the tutorials. So it doesn't matter if you're a video expert or a brand new beginner. She takes you through step by step using the software, and there's no questions really after you watch the tutorials. And that's one of the things I do recommend everyone to do, is to go through her tutorials first, how to set up your folders, what you should name, what files you should put into what folders, and then go ahead and get started with the program. So she's got a great kit here. Tons of extras have been thrown in. And like I said, extremely impressive homepage, the tutorials, and not just on Easy Video Lab. She's also shown a partner program that is also available with Easy Animator, for example, where you can animate your graphics, and she goes through and she takes you through on the tutorials and shows you those steps as well. One of the things I'd like to also mention is many times you can buy kits and programs out there being launched, and they're not complete, and they're still in the works being finished. And Francis has done a bang-up job making sure that everything is ready to roll on this. But here's an example. I go over to my Easy Video Lab, and you can grab one of the templates in your system, and you'll notice in the process of my examples, I'm using the folder structure she suggested. And I've also got my little notepad on the side where I put in my data. So when you come to a section in there where you put in your name and your phone number and so forth, you just grab it from Notepad, copy it, paste it over the one in the video on the timeline, and apply, and then it's done. That video is completely done for me, and all I have to do is click export. It's that simple. Okay, let's go on over. Let's try another one. You can go on up there to my folders, and I'll do a search. She does have these keyworded, so you can search by keywords, but I wanted to look at various products in her packet and just grab one. Some of them will take a little bit to load. Just be patient. And they load up the different blocks, whether it be text or video or what have you. Okay. And what I do a lot of times, once I load it, I'll go ahead and I'll play it. I just want to see where the different options are going to be. Again, there's one with the name and phone number information. And I see what block it is, so I click on it. Wait a few seconds, and then it pops up on the left. And then I just simply go to my notepad, grab my data, do a copy, go back over to the program, highlight, and paste. Then I go down and I'll apply it. Wait a couple seconds, and it will replace her data with mine. And there you go, another video done. And I also should mention that, again, you can change the video, like for example, the background photograph or any of these effects, because she gives you other effects with it that you can easily swap out. What's also nice is this kit also has everything done already. There's no bogus text written in there that you can't read or understand. It's literally, they're finished All you have to do is, personalize it with your information, and they're done. Okay, and one of the things I wanted to do right here is to change the text color from white, and I think a different color would stand out a little better, so I'm going to pick red, and I simply apply. And that's all there is to that. Anyway, the whole kit, you can change everything, the graphics, the text, everything. And very simple to do, and she explains everything. 5-star rating. I highly recommend this kit. You did a fantastic job, Frances.